Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
I'm great, how are you?
I'm great, how are you?
I'm great. I got 2 thumbs up, I got a great big smile. Today, if I need a hug, will you give me a hug? Yeah, because my boys are far, far, far across the school, but they are having so much fun that it's going to make me smile all day. And you're going to have so much fun. Is anybody back there going to be sad today?
No.
No. And they're all going to smile all the way to their cars and all the way home because they're going to know how much fun you're having. And just to prove it, I'm going to take a picture today with a smile on so they know how much fun you have. Okay?
I'm going to do it. Take a look.
Oh, you're going to have a finger on. Nice. Perfect. We'll get a picture of that too. So this morning we have a lot planned. Our day is full from the top to the bottom. And I know you really want to see everything.